Hello people, in this video we will see how to add tables to your WordPress post and pages without using any plugin. Okay, so let's see. So I'm on my WordPress dashboard here. So first thing we will need to do is create a new post. So just go in post and click on add new. Okay, so I am on this page now. It is basic editor from WordPress. It's a Gutenberg page builder. Okay, so you must enable this Gutenberg page builder. It is by default provided by WordPress only, so you no need to install any plugins for this. Okay, when you install WordPress it comes with that. Okay, so you must have this builder so that you can add tables to your post without using any plugin. Okay, so for adding table, just go here plus click here, and then you can find an option here for table, or you can search here for table simply. Okay, then just click on it, and now here you need to select the number of columns and number of rows. Okay, I will just create it for 2 rows and 2 columns, and will click on create table. Now you can see we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so let's explore the option on the right side here. So the first option, okay, let's enable this, and we are seeing that there is no change because it is for fixed width table cells. Okay, let's suppose I am adding a content here. Okay, and now if I disable this, now you can check it is not with a fixed width. Okay, if we enable this, now two sections has fixed width. Then second one is for header section. If you want to enable the header section, just enable it from here, and now you can see we have option to add header label. Here also header label, so you can add header label directly from here only. If you want to add some footer section also, then here is option to add a footer section, so you can add footer labels from here only. Okay, then let's check this strips option. Just click on it, and now you can see you have more strips. Okay, like this color is different and this color is different. I will just add text here. Okay, and now we will try to add one more row below this so that it will come again in this color. Okay, so we will go on this option, edit table, and we will click insert row after, and now you can see one more row has been added, and which is of a different color. Okay, so this is how you can add or edit tables from here. Okay, then if you want to change the text color, simply click on this, and from here you can easily select the color. Like if you want this, or if you want this, you can change it from here only. Okay, or you can select it from here, or you can add hex your code here. Okay, then simply you can also select background from this section. Just click on it and you will see these options for block. Okay, then click on background, and from here you can select the background colors. Okay, let's just select this one. Okay, so you can select it from here. Then next section is typography. You can select the default size of it. Okay, if you want, you can check all the font sizes like what you want. Okay, then if you want some padding and margin, then you can add it from dimensions here, and if you want to make a border, then you can add it from here. Then in advanced there is no option for editing, it is just for adding css class and anchor tag. Okay, so these are the only options you can get for editing the table. So I hope you have got it how to add table to your WordPress posts and pages. Okay, if you try to edit the page, then same editor will open for pages also. Okay, so I hope you have got how you can easily edit the tables or add tables in your WordPress post. So that's it from the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and make it great. Thank you.